Hello everyone, and welcome to an unboxing video that has a big story that goes along with it. A while back we had an announcement that we were going live Wednesday nights 9 o'clock. We had a big announcement with our hashtag Insane Friends, and we actually had a premiere. That premiere went off without a hitch, with a huge thanks to Jim from the Video Call-In Show. As we were preparing, we were testing, and we determined that our video equipment just wasn't quite up to snuff. There's a lot of videos on YouTube about computer CPU usage, video cards, so on and so forth, giving everybody tips and tricks as to what it takes. But the bottom line is, you need to have some pretty strong equipment to be able to live stream on YouTube. And unfortunately, we just didn't have it. So we reached out to Jim at the Video Call-In Show, and he acted as our producer for our first live stream. And again, it went off without a hitch. We are indebted to him and forever grateful for his time and efforts. He actually sacrificed his own live show that evening, which premieres at 10 o'clock Monday to Friday, and he produced our show. And again, it went off without a hitch, and we're grateful. So since then, we've been doing our research and determining what we needed. So here we have a new computer that should solve all of our problems and allow us to go live on our own. So let's get into the box and see what we have going on here. One of the features that we're going to have on our live streams, which, oh, by the way, are going to be Wednesdays at 9 o'clock, is we are going to look to feature your car on our channel. So we've set up an email address called My Car on MCA. What we're going to ask you to do is send us some photographs of your car, along with a little story, some background on your car. Boy, we're going to have lots of good stuff here. Tell us about the history of your car. Did you buy it new? Has it been restored? Was it in the family? Did you drag race it? We're going to have a new keyboard. Let's take a peek and see what's in here. Oh, a new mouse, power cord. This is like Christmas Day over here. We're excited. I'm going to move this over to the side. Same with the keyboard. I'm going to see what it's going to take to get this bad boy out of here. So we stayed in contact with Jim at the Video Call-In Show, and he gave us some suggestions and recommendations, and ultimately we took that information to the store and ended up with this. Going to have a really strong video card, quick processor, and all the other hardware that is going to be necessary for us to be able to live stream on our own. We made our deal at the store. They put this unit together for us. Got delivered today. So here we are. There's still going to be some setup for this. some software install. So in a couple weeks, we should be able to go live. It's a Fantex. We got some more, we're gonna have to do some more disassembly to ultimately get this thing up and running. We got all our hardware plugins back here. So I'm gonna have to take this tempered glass off. So again, once we're up and running, we'll be live on Wednesday nights, 9 o'clock. We invite everyone to join. That's just some packing material. And here's all the brains, all the guts as to what is ultimately going to help us get to being live. Quite interesting. Everything should be fine and dandy. I shouldn't need to turbocharge or supercharge this thing. Shouldn't need to hook up a nitrous bottle like you have on a car. Just got to turn it this way. Line it back up. So again, our email address is mycaronmca@gmail.com. So gather up some information on your cars. Send it to us at that email. Tell us your story, and we'll get back in touch with you to discuss some further details on your car, and hopefully we'll be able to bring you in as a video live guest on our show, and we will feature your car. A couple of these have different length studs. You got one long one and 3 short ones. So you have the opportunity to get your car featured on our show. Again, we're live Wednesdays at 9. Our friends from the hashtag Insane Friends group will be watching. A lot of car people there. So we'll be able to take questions about your car, and you'll be able to give all the answers. So with this bad boy right here, once it's all up and running, connected, we will be back live Wednesdays, 9 o'clock. Before then, we'll have an announcement to let you know. But in the meantime, we may have another video premiere or two before we are actually live. And occasionally through the year, because of our busy schedules. I'm an appraiser on the road. My service is countrywide, and occasionally I fly to different places. And I may be on the road. I know for sure right now there's certain dates where I'm going to be at about 32,000 feet Wednesday night, 9 o'clock. So obviously I'm not going to be live. So we'll have a video premiere. But there should always be something to pique your interest on Wednesdays. My producer, Bob, is a pretty busy guy as well, and sometimes he may be out and about. So again, if he's not available along with my schedule, there may be a few video premieres here and there. But we should always have something to keep you entertained Wednesday nights at 9 o'clock. And if either one of us can be live to a computer at the time to be able to chat with you, we're more than happy to do so. So you'll have a whole bunch of lives with a bunch of great content, a lot of great video guests calling in. I'll have a few guests right here on site with me. Got some pretty interesting people coming in, and to be interviewed. A lot of good information. Some of them you're not going to find them anywhere else except for on this channel. So stay tuned as to what we have coming up in the future. And again, mycaronmca@gmail.com. Send us your information. We'll be in touch. See if we get your car on our channel. Thank you very much for watching.
Muscle Car Appraisal thanks you for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel. Please like our video and hit the bell notification. And once again, we thank you for looking at our video. Have a great day.